Have you get irritated with constant cough and cold, having discomfort in breathing? These things may be indicating the symptoms of phlegm. It is not a dangerous disease, but can lead to serious upper respiratory problems. You need not to worry. Here is the solution. Here are some excellent and proven home remedies to cure phlegm. 1. Onion and sugar. Chop one onion and put it in bowl. Cover it with half cup of white sugar, and keep this mixture overnight. This will allow onion to soak up the sugar, and make a syrup. You can also simmer the mixture over a low flame for about half an hour. Take several times a day. 2. Eucalyptus oil. Inhale vapors of eucalyptus essential oil can give you comfort in cough. You can also take steam by adding few drops of oil to a bowl of warm water, and inhale it for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep eucalyptus oil away from your skin, as it may cause allergic reactions on touching. 3. Ginger and honey. Ginger is used to treat several diseases because of its medicinal properties. It also helps you to minimize the symptoms of cough and cold, and soothes the respiratory system. Take 100 grams ginger with 2 tablespoons of honey. Consume 2 tablespoons 2 times a day. 4. Chickpea powder. Take 2 tablespoons of fried chickpea powder. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and powdered almond with some water. Heat it for 10 minutes on low flame. Take it 2 times a day. 5. Grape juice. Grapes can help you to cure phlegm and soothe your lungs. Take 2 tablespoons of grape juice, with 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Consume this remedy thrice a day. Try these remedies on regular basis until you get better results. If your condition is getting worse day by day, consult your doctor. For more information, go to homeremedies9.com. If you see this video helpful to you, please like and share this video with your friends. Also, subscribe our channel for more natural and effective home remedies for phlegm.